Hi, I'm Cecilia.
And I'm Katie. We hear you're in the market for a new townhome.
I bet there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can check them all off at the Villas at Port Royal.
Must-have number 1, a floor plan that you're proud of that's spacious and functional. Can you imagine hosting movie night with your friends in this open concept floor plan?
And at the end of the day, you'll love your main level or second floor owner's retreat, complete with an ensuite bath and walk-in closets.
Then there are 2 extra bedrooms for family, friends, guests, or even a home office. Since it's your home, the choice is yours.
Must-have number 2, extra space for all your needs. Whether you're looking for a space for your car or an additional storage area, we have the options for you at the Villas at Port Royal. You can choose either a 1 or 2 car garage, plus with your very own private backyard and patio, you can host parties with family and friends and enjoy the warm summer without having to worry about mowing your lawn.
Must-have number 3, owning a new home in a location that you love. Just 2 miles from Saturn Pkwy, the Villas of Port Royal is the perfect home base for commuting to I-65, I-840, Columbia, Franklin, and beyond, so you can be close to all the action while still being tucked away in Spring Hill. Within minutes, you'll enjoy grocery shopping and restaurants along the Port Royal Road or at the crossings of Spring Hill.
So, did we check everything off your must-have list? Take the next step. Come and see us. We can't wait to welcome you home to the Villas at Port Royal.